I know you didn't think this was over. Let's get it. So last time I showed you guys my OEM tools. I showed you some of these items here. This is the 3/8 ratchet set. And this is the 1/4" set. But I got a few more things to show you. Stay tuned. So if you've missed this set, this is item 239998. I'll put a card up in the description on this set. This is a 3/8 mechanic ratchet set. And I did a quick review of it. Basically what you have a nice ratchet in the set. It's stamped OEMTOOLS in there. It comes with these Wobble Plus extensions, all your metric sockets. You have 2 spark plug sockets, 9/16 and 5/8. It comes like with a pivot head adapter. And then what I mean by extension plus, similar to like the functionality of Snap-on, you have your socket, you put it in, and if you put it all in all the way, it's locked. You pop it out a little bit, and now you have like that wobble feature. Snap it back in, and it's firm again. So I really like these extensions. These are really nice for someone who really wants a nice looking toolbox and wants a nice quality tool. You can even see the knurling on this socket right here. Has nice grip. There's like polished chrome. Everything's stamped on there. Very nice. So like I said, I showed this in a tool haul a few months ago. I'll put a card in the description. I picked up this 3/8 set off Amazon, I believe. Then I also picked up the 1/4" version. This one didn't come with a ratchet, but I'll show you that later on in this video. Same thing, same type of sockets. You get the EVA foam, which I love. It looks great in the box. It has a carbon fiber foam overlaid on top of each one of these trays. Again, you have the same knurling on all the sockets. Everything's stamped. So if you're in the market for a really quality set, a really nice presentation of your drawers inside your toolbox, I believe all these sets come in this green foam. And then you have the green underneath when you take the socket out. This is some of the best looking tool sets I've ever seen, especially with the foam. Everything's labeled in white so you can see them. I just love OEMTOOLS. And the 1/4" set is model 23986. I believe this is $20. I'll have to look at my other video how much the 3/8 set was. I want to say about $59. Don't quote me on that. Check out my card in this video on this tool haul. So I'll show you the new stuff. So the first 2 items, as always, I start with the smaller things and I build up. I got a few of the wheel stud installers. The bigger one, the larger one is for trucks. The smaller one is for cars. The smaller one is model number 24234, and this one is 24235. So on my Chevelle, my rear lugs are like snapped off. So I'll be using this one to install new studs, wheel studs on my Chevelle. The truck one I just got just because I have a truck, and if that ever happens, I'll have this available. This will probably be used on my 64, but my F100 I don't think has any snap studs. So I picked up the set of these, and because I'm loco, I showed you the metric set. So obviously I picked up the standard set also. So this is the 1/4" standard set. It normally comes like wrapped in plastic, and then it has this little protector around it. Then you also have the foam. This one just came with the foam. So I'll go ahead and put the model number on the screen of this one. Actually, it's 23985. If you can see that. So it's a 10-piece standard 1/4-inch socket set. So now I have the whole set with the 1/4-inch, and it looks great in the box. I mean, imagine having this stacked in your box. It looks amazing. So the next item up is a 35-piece multi-drive star socket set, and this is model 23991, OEMTOOLS. Piece of foam on the top. Some of these fell out. This is what I love about OEMTOOLS. All of them come in the same foam tray. So you have all your star bits. Look like from TP7 to T70. So this is a pretty comprehensive set. I actually bought a set of these from Harbor Freight, but I guess I really don't need it. So that'd just be a backup. But a really nice set. If you're looking for a star bit set, get you one. They look really nice in the box. You can have your star bits, all your sockets. And you have the big boy here. So I mean, just imagine that in your toolbox. So I like this. This is when I got the Cobalt set. This one does, OEMTOOLS does a better job of like conserving space when it comes to like the foam trays, I believe. Like this is very clean. It's very minimal wasted space. The only space they wasted was to put their little plaque on the tray so you know who it is. But I love this. I got my full 1/4-inch socket set. I have my 35-piece. It's a male and female star bit set. I got my 3/8 mechanic socket set. So let me show you the other ones. So next item up is item 23981. This is a 12-piece 3/8 metric set. Now I already have the full 3/8 metric set, but I guess I decided to buy another set. And this would probably be more likely my tool cart set right here. So this set, yet again, it's really nice. You got the nice foam, green foam. You got the carbon fiber overlay. You got that little stamp on there. This goes from 13 to 19 millimeter metric. Nice deep sockets. And I believe this is pretty cheap too. I'll have to double check the prices for you guys, but you can look all these up on OEMTools.com, or you can go on Amazon.com and get a price on them. But I really like the set. And this next item, I swear to God, I told you, when you buy stuff and you don't organize them right away, you pretty much forget what the hell you have. So right here, this is 8-piece mechanics screwdriver set, because you know I need more screwdrivers. So this is model 23999. Love OEMTools. So with this set, you get the foam. This is how it normally comes. It comes with the plastic and then this little silica gel plastic on it. I think the other ones I took it off to try and speed up the video. I know I'd use this offset thing for something. Anyway, the side normally comes, has a little silica bag in here for protection. You got your plastic around it. Has this little white cardboard to protect the foam. And here you go. This is a beautiful set. See how they don't really, I don't think they waste that much space. The only part they kind of waste space on is the little plaque, but it looks good in the box. I'm cool with it. You have your carbon fiber foam overlay again. Everything's snug in there. Really nice. You even have the model number of each screwdriver on here. It's hard plastic. I prefer the rubber grip, but it's firm. I don't think I have any issues with this. So like I said, this looks great. This is great presentation. If you want your toolbox, this is nice and small. This will fit. If you have a deeper box, even better. So I picked up these screwdrivers. Like I said, I totally forgot I had this. Honest to God. Just like the Cobalt ones, you can put a wrench on this if you need more leverage. This one doesn't have the striking caps on this, but you can put a wrench. So I can live with that. That's what I have Cobalt for. I don't know if these tips are magnetic or not. Actually, yep, I think they are. So these also have magnetic tips on them. So that's really nice. So yeah, like I said, go ahead and get you these sets. These sets are awesome. I tried to buy as many of them as possible. I wish I was sponsored by OEMTOOLS. I'm not, so I had to spend my own money on getting these set. So I'm going to show you the last item real quick. So this is the last item. This is model 23982. This is the 80-piece quarter-inch ratchet and socket set. I love this set. If I'm going out in the driveway and working on my car, this is a great 80-piece mechanics tool set. I'll show you the number right there if I can fit it. So, love this set. Let's crack it open. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the only one I know of that comes in this like big plastic carrying case. It's black on the side, nice and stamped out. Green on the other side. Has some nice heavy duty looking, yeah. I don't know if that's metal or plastic. I think it's aluminum. Yet again, presentation on point. Beautiful mechanics quarter-inch set. I want to say I showed this a long time ago on a I think Kuhn Trucking giveaway. This is one of the items I said I would take. It's just been sitting so I can do the full OEM haul. But you have one of those, I don't really call that a swivel, it's more like a pivoting head adapter. It comes with this itty bitty, almost like a stubby quarter-inch ratchet. Has all the knurling, almost like a polished chrome look. It's a beautiful ratchet. Has a nice little weight. I would probably use my long handle version of my quarter-inch. Comes with all your standard sockets. Comes with metric sockets in both shallow and deep socket. Comes with a little tiny extension. So you get 2 extensions, you get 1 adapter, metric and standard, or shallow and deep socket. Then it comes with this nice little 1/4 inch bit set. You have your security bits, you have your star bits, you got flathead, Phillips, you got some square bits, you got like this like a socket adapter, I believe, right here. So this right here is a nice little set just to carry around. And you just put in here, you get a little ratcheting wrench bit. That's pretty nice. So this is definitely one of my favorite sets next to the 3/8 mechanic set. I really like this one. This is nice and portable. Has the foam to protect all your tools. Nice hard plastic case. More likely I will be taking this out and put it in my drawer. I don't know. I may just keep it in a case, but more likely I'm gonna take it out and put it in my toolbox. But I love this set, and I can use this box for something else. So let me show you a nice broad shot of what all you'd be getting if you bought any of these items. Anyway guys, so this is a good view of all the tools you'll be getting. So just imagine this inside your toolbox. It looks beautiful. It's quality tools. The prices are really reasonable. They always have sales going on them. You have your star bit set, your 3/8 mechanic set, your 1/4 inch mechanic set, your standard and metric 1/4 inch sockets, just your 3/8 socket set, your screwdriver set, and when I ordered from OEMTOOLS, I think when I ordered this, they gave me a nice tumbler, almost like a Yeti cup, has OEMTOOLS stamped on there. So I'll use this in the winter. So in the comments, let me know what you think. I like Cobalt, but I really love OEMTOOLS, especially the quality and detail, and like their sockets, their extensions. The presentation is A1. I mean, all the knurling is in all of the all your extensions, all the sockets, everything's stamped, and it's pretty easy to read. And if you can't read it, I mean, it's labeled pretty well. So it's kind of hard to mess up. When something's gone, you can tell right away you're missing something. But I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and pick up some OEMTOOLS. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.